Budget PC building is alive and well, and at current market prices, you can put this 1080p PC together for under $640. Depending on the game, it can run AAA and esports titles alike at an average FPS of 100 or more on medium to max settings, including demanding titles like Cyberpunk 2077. Want even more power without increasing the cost? Swap out the 5600G CPU for a 5600 and the B450 motherboard for a B550 one. If you want to spend a bit more money for more performance, you can upgrade the RAM to a lower latency kit, buy a PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, and even upgrade your GPU to an AMD Radeon RX 6700, the non-X version, all for around an additional $110. Come on over to the Middle of Nowhere for a full build series on this PC and even more tech content.